First, we do this multiplication, 1 over 10 times 10. We can easily cancel this 10 and this 10, so we have just 1. And 6 divided by this 1 gives us just 6. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first this division, 6 divided by 1 over 10. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 10. No, 6 times 10 gives us 60, and 60 times 10 gives us 600. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 600.